In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate text here in Kittl. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. Once you have your text on the canvas, just like this, you simply want to click onto that text, and then we can just click here in this little toolbar where it says duplicate. Now, if we click there, it looks like it hasn't done anything until we click onto the text and move down. Now, that's one way that we can duplicate text. Another way is just by copy and pasting. So if we click onto the text again, all I have to do is Command and C to copy, and then Command and V to paste. And then again, we have that duplicate text. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to duplicate text here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.